The 2025 Harley Davidson Breakout 117 is a bold statement on two wheels, blending classic chopper style with modern performance. Built for those who crave power and presence, this motorcycle brings a commanding road presence with its stretched profile, aggressive stance, and unmistakable Harley attitude. The design of the Breakout 117 is long and lean, featuring a wide rear tire, low-slung body, and a high handlebar that gives it a custom-built look straight from the factory. A 21-inch front wheel paired with a raked front end adds to its muscular silhouette. Chrome accents and striking finishes give the bike a premium and aggressive character, while LED lighting ensures modern visibility wrapped in a classic form. At the heart of the Breakout is the Milwaukee Eight 117 engine, the most powerful factory-installed engine in the Harley cruiser lineup. It delivers exceptional torque and rapid acceleration, making every twist of the throttle thrilling. The refined softail frame offers a balance between rigidity and comfort, while the hidden monoshock rear suspension improves handling without compromising its clean lines. Riding technology includes selectable ride modes such as road, sport, and rain, enhancing control in various conditions. Advanced features like cornering ABS and traction control are seamlessly integrated, boosting safety without interfering with the raw riding experience. A high-performance intake and 2x2 exhaust system produce a deep, satisfying rumble. The 2025 Breakout 117 is available in a range of factory custom color options, including standout choices like Midnight Firestorm and other bold schemes that emphasize its aggressive lines and chrome finishes. Pricing for the 2025 Breakout 117 starts at approximately $23,099 for the base model and can go up to $24,399 depending on paint and options. This motorcycle is a perfect fusion of old-school cool and modern performance.